The struggle is real, connecting with your audience. You're hustling, right? Building your dream. You're creating awesome products, offering killer services. But something's off. You're not connecting. It's like you're speaking a different language, and your message is getting lost in translation. Your audience, your people, they're out there, lost in the noise. It's frustrating. They're scrolling through endless feeds, bombarded with information. How do you stand out in such a crowded space? You need a way to break through, to grab their attention. You need to cut through the clutter and make your voice heard. But how? To build relationships that turn into sales, you need to engage with your audience on a personal level. It's not just about selling, it's about creating a connection, a bond that makes them trust you. Stop shouting into the void. It's time to change your approach. It's time to get strategic. Plan your moves, understand your audience, and tailor your message to their needs and desires. Time to stop wasting time and money on marketing that doesn't work. Analyze what went wrong and learn from it. You need a tool that does the heavy lifting for you, one that provides insights and helps you make data-driven decisions. One that helps you connect with your audience on a deeper level. Engage with them where they are, be it social media, email, or in person. That's where Getresponse comes in. It's your all-in-one marketing platform designed to help you connect, engage, and grow. With Getresponse, you can finally bridge the gap between you and your audience. Getresponse is your all-in-one marketing solution. It's like having a whole team of marketing ninjas in your corner, ready to help you win. We're talking email marketing, landing pages, webinars, automation, you name it, Getresponse has got you covered. No more juggling a million different tools, no more tech headaches. Getresponse simplifies everything so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business. Let's dive into the good stuff. The features that'll make your life easier and your business boom. Email marketing is still king. It's the most direct way to reach your people, to build those crucial relationships. But let's be real, crafting compelling emails and managing lists can be a time suck. Getresponse makes it a breeze. Their intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes creating stunning emails ridiculously easy. Segment your audience, personalize your messages, and track your results like a pro. Getresponse takes the headache out of email marketing, so you can focus on delivering value and building a loyal tribe. Section 4, landing pages that convert like crazy. In this section, we'll dive deep into the art and science of creating landing pages that not only attract visitors, but also convert them into loyal customers. Landing pages are your secret weapon for capturing leads and driving sales. They are the first impression your potential customers get, and you want to make it count. But designing them? That can feel like brain surgery. It's easy to get overwhelmed with all the elements that need to be perfect. Getresponse to the rescue. Their landing page builder is so easy to use, even your grandma could create a high-converting masterpiece. No coding skills required, just drag and drop. Choose from tons of templates, each designed to maximize conversions. Whether you're in e-commerce, consulting, or any other industry, there's a template for you. Customize them to match your brand. Tweak the colors, fonts, and images to make it uniquely yours. The flexibility is endless. And watch the leads roll in. With every tweak and adjustment, you're optimizing for better performance. Getresponse makes it stupid simple to create landing pages that convert like crazy. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can go from idea to live page, so you can turn those website visitors into paying customers. With Getresponse, your landing pages will not just attract visitors, but also convert them into loyal paying customers. Section 5. Unleash the power of webinars and automation. Want to engage your audience on a whole new level? Imagine being able to captivate your audience, no matter where they are in the world. Webinars are where it's at. They are the perfect tool to reach a global audience without the need for physical travel. They let you connect with your people face to face, share your expertise, and create a personal connection that builds trust. And build trust like nothing else. Imagine the impact of seeing your audience's reactions in real time and responding to their questions instantly. Getresponse's webinar platform is top-notch. Host engaging presentations with ease using a variety of interactive tools. Interact with your audience in real time through live chats, polls, and Q&A sessions, and even record your webinars for later viewing. This means your content can continue to provide value long after the live session ends. But wait, there's more! Getresponse's automation features are a game changer. Imagine having the ability to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time for more strategic activities. Set up automated email sequences, nurture your leads with personalized content, and move them through your sales funnel without lifting a finger. This ensures that no lead is left unattended and every potential customer is nurtured. It's like having your own personal marketing assistant, handling the tedious tasks for you, working 24/7 to grow your business. With these tools, you can focus on what you do best, while automation takes care of the rest. Unleash the power of webinars and automation today and watch your business soar to new heights. Ready to take your business to the next level? Now's your chance to experience the power of Getresponse with an exclusive 5% monthly discount on your subscription. Simply sign up through our link to unlock this special offer. As a loyal user, I can personally attest to how Getresponse has transformed my business. It's been an invaluable tool and I highly recommend it. Don't wait, click the link below to get started and take advantage of this limited time deal.